how to rotate in Excalidraw. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, open up your project. So let's say, for example, I want to rotate this photo. So what I'm gonna do, I can just go ahead right here, and you're gonna see the unique circle right here at the top of my picture. And what I'm gonna do, I could just rotate it like this, right, to just change the place or change the ratio. If I want it to be 45 degree or 90 degree, that depends on your project, right? And basically you can see right here the actions if you want to delete or copy or crop if you want to crop some part of this picture. So basically that's how you rotate with your photo or with your with your project. So that's one of the comments of this video. Helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.